Hi, so we're just here. Mike and I are here with two wonderful people who are on our Ancestral Healing Retreat in December 2023. So yeah, Noel or Analia, would you like to share anything of your experience in the retreat, what you got from it, anything like that?
Okay, right. Well, I shall start. It has changed me beyond recognition of how connected I can feel to other human beings on this planet. And I've been trying to establish closer and closer connection, but this has transformed that process in a way that even singing couldn't bring me this degree of connection, because when I'm with my song group singing, the connection is joyously there for all of us. But this has taken me out to the rest of the world, where I don't have to be singing with people to feel this connection. And I didn't expect this was going to happen. I knew there was more that I needed than I had. I'm a bit too much up in my head, and I didn't realize that my feet had far more connection to emotion than my head could ever instill in me. And this is what I've learned just by standing still and trusting that I should leave my head blank and let feeling creep up from my toes to my heart. That has just been impossibly joyous to discover. And I want to say thank you for it. I'll never stop saying that, because it's never going to stop flowing, is it?
Beautiful. Yeah. Thank you, Noel.
My pleasure.
Ours.
I came, for anyone watching this who doesn't know, I came from America to the retreat, and it was 100% worth it. Worth it. I don't feel like I have the words to do it justice, but it was so healing and so soul affirming. And the group of people that were gathered, it was magical. It was nothing short of magical. And I've never felt so connected and grounded, not only to my ancestors, which was new, but to myself and to the people around me. I agree with Noel. It was life-changing for me. And it was such a safe space that I really didn't know anyone going in, but the connection between the people there was so strong that I was able to let go of all of the masks that I wear in my daily life and just can be completely myself. And I felt such love and acceptance for me, and I felt such love and acceptance for everyone else, that it was just so affirming. And I'm taking that going forward and letting myself shine through more in my daily life as a result of the retreat. It was wonderful. I can't recommend it enough. It was just a beautiful experience. Thank you both again.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your words as well, Analia.